Hi everyone, this is meteorologist T. Swails. It is Monday and we're going to have ourselves an interesting afternoon as an Arctic front slices across the area, brings cold temperatures, a period of light snow, and some gusty winds. And so this is your weather briefing today on the upcoming winter weather situation. Let's take a look then at the radar, and you can already see bands of snow developing across portions of east central Iowa and northwestern Illinois. Had a report from the last hour up around Guttenberg in northeastern Iowa of up to an inch of snow there, and this all continues to sink southward behind the Arctic front, which will be moving into the Quad Cities around 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. So it does appear that temperatures have reached about as high as they're going to go, and we'll see falling temperatures later on today. Speaking of the temperatures, if you take a look at some of these observations here, you'll find that while temps in southeastern Iowa, west central Illinois are in the mid or upper 40s, not too far away around Waterloo and up into northeastern Iowa, southwestern Wisconsin, readings are down in the 20s, and up in southwestern Minnesota, temps now in the upper teens, while in the Arrowhead of Minnesota, temperatures are hovering around 10 to 12 degrees and wind chills up that way as cold as 17 degrees below zero. That is remarkable stuff for this early in the year. So there you can see the clouds along and behind the actual front. It's kind of an antifront here, and that most of the precipitation actually follows the front. So as that sinks southward today, it'll take this band of snow showers that'll develop, potentially mixed with some rain to begin with, on through. And then after that, you can see the clearing skies that are up there in Minnesota and Wisconsin. That'll push on quickly southward. We'll have it clear in here very early tonight. And after that, the temperatures really fall off rapidly, and it looks like our lows should be down in the upper teens. In fact, this is the hour-by-hour forecast for the Quad Cities. Just a couple things to note here is that by around 3 o'clock this afternoon, we should be down to freezing or below, and by early evening, temperatures will be in the 20s, and eventually tomorrow morning, this forecast here shows the Quad Cities down to 18. Wouldn't surprise me if we were a couple degrees cooler than that, particularly if we get a little bit of snow on the ground. There is the potential for a half an inch to an inch of snow in spots, and if we get that and clear out, that could drop the temperatures by 3 or 4 more degrees. Also, the winds this afternoon should increase up to 30 miles an hour on the gusts, and the temperatures will be steadily falling as we showed you. It looks like most of the snow will occur somewhere after 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, between that time and say 6 o'clock in the evening. And again, it won't be a heavy snow, but just the same with the winds and falling temperatures, it'll get a little ugly around here during the evening hours tonight. And here's what the GFS is showing as far as snow is concerned. It's probably got about a half an inch on the Quad Cities and points to the east. Notice the impacts of Lake Michigan around Chicago, where there could be some areas there with 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. But I do think the general area all across eastern Iowa, northwestern Illinois, up into Wisconsin and Minnesota, anywhere from about a half to maybe 1 inch of snow. Also, this is the 192-hour GFS snowfall forecast, and it has another system moving into the Midwest towards the weekend, and temperatures will be kind of marginal, but it does show some additional snow falling, so that's something we'll have to watch here. I don't expect it to be anything major at this point, but there could be some more flakes in the snow here as we get towards the weekend, and the cold temperatures will be reinforced. Also want to show you the temperature anomaly here for tomorrow and Wednesday. These readings here are about 20 degrees below what's typical at this time of year, so very, very chilly air moving into the Midwest, I can assure you that much. That will quickly lift out though, and the latter portions of the week improve some, and then we're looking into the weekend here, and you can see another strong trough moving across the Midwest, and that's what could bring some snow showers to the area over the weekend, and another shot of very chilly temperatures. Bottom line, we've got some snow coming this afternoon, light snow at that, wind and cold, and that's going to be around right into your Tuesday, when high temperatures will have a tough time getting above 32 degrees for a high temperature. That's your weather briefing this Monday. Thanks for checking in, and as always, roll weather.